I noticed how expensive textbooks had become. Over my career at Clermont, when I started in 2009, we started with print textbooks that were around $200 each. But back then, there was a used textbook market, and students could buy a used book for $30 or $40. And initially, the digital books were about $30, which was a cost-effective option to the print books. And it wasn't long before the price of the digital books increased exponentially. We went from $30 to almost $200 for that same digital book. So I really thought about it, and I thought, I'm creating this content anyway. Why don't I create the content and offer it to the students for free? Because a lot of students struggle to pay for the textbooks, and students were emailing me and asking me, how can I do this class without the textbook? Is there any other option besides the expensive digital book? So I decided to create the content myself and offer it to the students for free.